The conflicting part is because of that, the past few months, the practice of Swapna Nidra Jnana sadhana took a backseat. Bring that back. You will recognize this physical sensation is not there in the deep sleep state. Cannot be there. Only belongs to the waking. Then, when you deepen your sadhana, you will see this physical sensation is not there even in the dream state.
Yes.
It's only limited to the waking. When you become very clear, then you will not say it is 24/7. It cannot be. 24/7 is only I, the background of nothingness, the awareness. Nothing else can touch me. Nothing else can touch me. Yeah? So first, daya for myself. I should stop beating myself up. Oh, I took a back seat because of this little difficult period for the body. It's okay. Done. Fresh. Start fresh. Now I see the truth. Now I attempt to just keep doing the sadhana all day. When I do it all day in the waking state, recognizing I am not the body, I am not the mind, I am that witness of the body and mind. Now I take it into the bed when I lie down in the night. The body is lying down to sleep. I never sleep. You take it further. See, now I lose the sensation. There are only thoughts. Be very astute about this. There will be a point when all sensations are gone. And there are only thoughts. Maybe the thoughts are of the sensation, but there is no sensation. So learn to distinguish between the gross thought and the subtle thought. Gross thought is perception and sensation, perception of sight, sound, smell, taste, touch, and sensation of the body. Subtle thought is of the mind, which is nothing but an idea or an image in the mind or a feeling of whatever, happiness in the dream, sadness, pleasantness, unpleasantness. So there is difference between gross thought and subtle thought. First distinguish that. Then go deeper into it. Start recognizing. See, the gross thought has disappeared, only subtle thought is there. Even in the dream, the tiger is a subtle thought. It is not a gross thought. It appears to be a gross thought, but there is a big difference between the gross thought of the dream and the gross thought of the waking. You go at this detailed level of discrimination using Viveka. Now go deeper. There will be a point where even the subtle thought will disappear. Just poof, vanish into nothingness. Maybe your nothingness lasts a very short time, but it is there. However short, it is there. That's when I recognize, aha, this is the closest I am to my true nature. And again the sense of I comes up. Again the subtle thoughts of the dreams come up. And then the gross thoughts of the waking come up, which is sensations and perceptions. So keep recognizing this switch, this shift that is continuously happening. Yeah? Past is past, forget, it's gone. We don't even know if it existed. It could just be a memory, repetitive thought. All I know is the now. Now is the truth. Begin now.